Skills tell your AI how to do things. Workflows tell it what steps to follow. But sometimes the AI needs to know specific details about your project. That's where resources come in. Resources are reference documents, things like company information, configuration details, or business rules. You write them in Markdown, and your AI can access them whenever it needs that context. In this video, I'll add a resource with our company details, and we'll regenerate our index.js file with all three pieces working together. Before we continue, this video builds on the previous two. If you haven't seen the skills tutorial, click the info card above to watch it first. Same goes for the workflows tutorial. We'll be using what we built in those videos, so make sure you're caught up. Let's create a resource. Click on Workspaces in the left sidebar and select your workspace. In the Workspace sidebar, click on Resources, then click New Resource. I'll name this one Company Info and add a description, Company Details for use in application outputs. The name should clearly indicate what kind of information this resource contains, and we'll add the actual content. Resources use Markdown, which is perfect for documentation. You can include headings, code blocks, tables, and lists. Let me add our company details. I'll start with a heading, Company Info. Then I'll add the details, company name, Acme Corp, tagline, building the future, one line at a time. Support email, support@acme.io, founded 2020. Notice how specific this is. These are real values the AI will use when generating code. The more detail you include, the more accurate the output becomes. Let's click on Create Resource button. Now let's connect this resource to our coding guidelines skill. Click on Skills in the Workspace sidebar and open the coding guidelines skill we created earlier. I'll add a new instruction in the code structure category. I'll write, when outputting company information, use the details from the company info resource. Now the AI knows to consult that resource when creating outputs that reference our company. This keeps your skills focused on general guidelines and your resources focused on specific information. They work together perfectly. Now for the big test. We have our coding guidelines skill, our file creation workflow, and our company info resource all in place. Let's create our index.js file and see everything work together. I'll type ion, create an index.js file with a function that returns a welcome message object with our company info. Watch what happens. I didn't have to specify which skill, workflow, or resource to use. The AI automatically pulls from everything we've set up. It follows our coding guidelines with proper error handling. It uses our company info resource, so the returned object includes Acme Core, our tagline, and the support email. All the real values from our resource, structured as a JSON object. The code is complete and accurate because the AI had all the context it needed. Skills gave it the standards, the resource gave it the specific details. Everything just works together. When you're done working, remember to type ion, let's wrap up. The AI will review everything, check that all guidelines were followed, and clean up any session annotations from your files. Resources complete the picture. Skills define how you code. Workflows define your process. Resources provide the specific details. Together, they make your AI a true expert on your project. In the next video, I'll show you how to create commands for quick shortcuts. Thanks for watching.